Hello folks, welcome back to another lesson. We're doing Nirvana's Pennyroyal T, which was voted for over at Patreon last month by all these lovely folks. Big shout out to the patrons. Their contributions are always more than the ad revenue that you get from YouTube, so they are an essential part of supporting this thing. So I really do appreciate it. And they've gone a little easy on me actually, because Pennyroyal T is only like a couple of sections, but I thought I'd try and get a bit clever with the tone for this one. So you may notice this sounds rather like an acoustic or electroacoustic. So I've tried to get as close as I can to that acoustic, and then I think there's a DS1 in front of an acoustic using the brand new Boss ME90. There's a demo coming for this very soon. It's an incredible bit of kit, but I've tried to make this sound as sort of nasty as I can. So using the acoustic preset, and then I'm adding a preamp over the top. For that part, because it is like a nasty sounding acoustic guitar that on the album, right? So if I take the acoustic out of that, you know, you've got quite a raw sort of sound there, but I'm going to leave the acoustic effect in the chain, right? Just because I think it's a bit of fun. Anyway, those are the tones that I'm going for. I mean, really, you could just get away with a clean tone and a dirty tone, or an acoustic with, you know, a dirt pedal before it. In terms of tuning, you want your guitar tuned down a half step, okay? So 1 fret's worth, so the E is going to go down to E flat or D sharp, okay, etc. So the whole lot goes down. So when I'm playing an A minor, that's actually an A flat minor or a G sharp minor, right? So that's what you need to do to play along with it. Let's dive into the first riff, shall we? That's what you're going to do. At that point, though, you're going to put the distortion on. But let's wind back. We've got A minor for 2 bars to a G. The little run there. Way more pronounced, I think, on Unplugged, which is just Kurt, I think, playing. But you're going to do this rhythm. And you can do alternate strumming there, but it's down, down, up, but a big up. Because you're going to catch the 2 top strings as well as the rest of the chord, right? Like that. So it's down, down, up, up, down, up. Okay, and that down, that one there is a full A minor chord again, right? So the rhythm's kind of like that. So think about that in terms of, you know, over strumming. You could actually take all your fingers off for the last 8th note. That's a very Nirvana-y thing to do. But then you got a G, right? You're not playing the B, or the 2nd fret on the 5th string as it now is. You're just going to be muting that with a little bit of meat from your 2nd finger there. And again, same rhythmic pattern. Apart from that little fill there. So the 4th bar goes like that, right? Then round again. Then you're going to go into 8th notes with a slide for the last beat, and then you're going to put on the distortion at some point in that bar. So then we go to this next part, the chorus basically. C to D to A sharp or B flat, right? Okay. relative. I know it's actually, you know, B to D flat or C sharp, but let's just go with the shapes where you'd play them, right? So 3rd fret to 5th fret. Like that, right? It's for 3 times. 4th time you play. And then back in to the verse. So we have down, down, up, up, down, up. And on that upstroke, you kind of catch, you know, more of the power chord, you know, including that 5th fret up there, right? Then you do a slide, and then all your fingers come off for the last 8th note. Then you're going to go to the 6th fret on the low string, right? And I think for that last part, I think he's just playing an open, the open 5th string. Later on, you do hear it much more pronounced, with the whole chord moving about, but that's only incidental, I think. So that's what I would go for. So again, slowly, 3, 4. I'm leaving my little finger on. I'm just taking my, you know, just taking my, you know, first 2 fingers off there, and then the 4th time, I'm back in, right? So you go around that whole lot twice, and then you come out of the chorus again into this kind of middle 8 sort of solo part, which goes. There we go, right? So we've got A and then all your fingers off. Something along those lines. So 2nd fret is bent up full there. That's on the G string. Then you release it, pull off. 2nd bar goes. So you're kind of bending the G string half a step, and the B like a quarter step almost, because it's, you just sort of, you know, it's quite subtle, isn't it? It's not a complete half step bend, right? Just a load of double stops, and then so down, down, up, down. Then so 3's 2 0 on the top 2 strings, and then, or you could just do, you know, whatever's easiest. Play that round twice. That's it. Chorus first, chorus again. Nothing really different there, except 3rd time when you do the chorus part, you're going to play you do that. So it's just that variance on the last 2 bars. Just that, right? Little slide. Pretty straightforward. And then coming out of it, you're playing clean. And you finish. So you're just playing the bottom half of an A minor, the full thing with that rhythm. Next time then, you play that twice, right? And then you go into... And that's it, you're done. Hope you enjoyed that, people. See you soon.